before you start creating your thumbnail, you need to first have a topic in mind. The video title for this particular thumbnail is Demons Fear These 10 Powerful Bible Verses. That is the title of the video I want to create this thumbnail about. So what you are going to do is to go to YouTube and check other people's thumbnail and see the kind of thumbnails that are attracting viewers. See the kind of thumbnails that are getting views. So when you check this kind of thumbnails, then you can now go ahead to create your own thumbnail. So now let me tell you the kind of thumbnails that are getting views so that we can tailor our own thumbnail on those kind of thumbnails. So if you scroll down, you can see the kind of thumbnails that are getting views are thumbnails that text is much more visible. The texts are big, so you can see this kind of thumbnail. So if I could come down, you can see they are the same. Look at this kind of thumbnail. If you come down, also see this same one. If you come down, see the thumbnails here. So see the thumbnails. So the thumbnails that are getting views are thumbnails in this particular niche. The thumbnails that are getting views are thumbnails that have a clear text and the texts are bold enough for viewers to see. So now we are going to go ahead to create our own thumbnail. So for this, there are different apps that you can use to create your thumbnail. You can use Canva to create your thumbnail. You can also make use of Photopea to create your thumbnail. I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create your thumbnail. So when you come to Canva, if you don't have an account, you can quickly sign in using your Google account to sign in. Then when you come to Canva like this, in the home page here, you just have to click inside this search area. For mine, you will see YouTube thumbnail here, but in case you are not seeing any YouTube thumbnail here, simply come to this search area and search for YouTube thumbnail. Now, after searching for the YouTube thumbnail, you will come down, and from here, these are different templates that you can use, but I advise you don't go with this template. So we are going to create our own from the scratch. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on create a blank YouTube thumbnail. So from here, we need to upload our the image that we want to use for our thumbnail. Already you have gotten the image that you want to use for your thumbnail according to the topic of your video. So let's say this topic is like I said, Demons Fear These 10 Powerful Bible Verses. So if you come to YouTube, you can see the kind of image that you can get. So you are going to get the image that portray the topic that you want to create, that you created your video about. You get that kind of image that depicts that topic. So after getting that kind of image, you will come to Canva here. So from here, you click on upload to upload your image. So from here, you click on upload files. Now it's going to take you to your device where you can select the image that you want to use for this thumbnail. You also watch out for another video where I'll be talking about how to get viral video idea on this particular niche. So if you want that video, comment down below you want that video, and if I get 100 comments, I'm going to do a video on that. Please guys, do not forget to like this video because I put a lot of effort in creating this video for you. So all you can do for me is to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and help me to comment under this video. Anything you can comment, I will appreciate. Just comment under the video and I will appreciate that. And now that the image has been uploaded, you can simply come here, just click on the image once and it will appear on your design area here. So what you are going to be using, you will use this point. Use this point to scale up the image. Do not use this particular one or this particular one. Use the corner point here to scale up your image. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on here, then I'll scale up my image to get to the exact to fill the entire area just like this. So I've gotten my image. So now I need to do some editing to this image, and to do this editing, you make sure that you select the image. Once the image is selected, then come over here and click on edit. So another option will open up on your left hand side here. So from here, you click on adjust. Then after that, you are going to come down. Then you can add temperature, tint, brightness, contrast, and all that. So you add it according to how you want your image to be. So I can just increase the temperature or I can reduce it. Then you can come down and add a little brightness to your image. You can add a contrast so that the image is going to pop a little bit. I can add this highlight, then I'll come down, I'll add saturation to make this image more appealing for people to look. So I've given a little touch to my image. I can add some sharpness, I can add some clarity to my image. So I've gotten this. So now you can see the before and the after of this image. So now that I've gotten this image, the next thing you need to do is to add your text to this image. And to add your text to this image, you need to come to your left hand side here where you see text, select text, and from here we are going to use, remember, we are going to use a bold text for this particular design, because this kind of thumbnails they use a bold text for their design so that people will easily read this text, because most audience in this niche, they are adults, so they won't like to have difficulty reading the text on your thumbnail. Okay, now come over here and click on text. When you click on text, in this search area here, you can just search for any text of your choice. So for this, let's just look for Montserrat. This is the spelling. So these are some bold text that you can use. If you scroll down, you can see some other bold text that you can make use of. Look at this other text, is very bold, so we can make use of this text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this. Don't worry, I'll show you how to get most of this text if you can't use this particular method. So if you click on it, it will be added to your design like this. So here is this text. What we need to do is to change the color and change the text content. And to do that, so come here, click on group, because these texts are group. Then click outside, anywhere outside, then come over and click on this first text, delete that. Then we'll select the action, this particular text. So what we are going to do is to change the color. So for this text, let's change it to white first, so that it's going to be visible for us to see. So this particular text now is not that much visible on this background. So what we need to do is to add a kind of shadow to this background. And to do that, first you need to come over here, click on elements. So from this element, inside this search area, just search for gradient, black gradient. So search for black gradient transparent. So from here, these are some black gradients that you can use. So I'm going to select one of these gradients, add to my design. So this is the gradient. So what we are going to do is to rotate this. Let's just take it here. So you can use this to rotate this. So if I want this text to be on the left hand side, I can rotate this gradient. Then what I'm going to do from here is to scale it up. Just scale it up, then drag the gradient to anywhere you want it to be. So just like this. Then for our image, we can close this tab. So for our image, we can scale it up so that the hand is going to be much more visible to people to see. So we just place this hand here. Then for this text, we take it to the left hand side. So now we can change the content of this text. So remember, I told you this content was demons. So now after writing our text, we can scale down the text just like this. Bring the text, bring it over here. Then from here we have our text just like this. Just place the text here. So now we need to change the color of this text, and to do that, you simply come over here and click on this color. So we can change some of this color. So I can highlight the fear from here, then I'll change that to yellow. So now we have that as yellow. I can still highlight it and make it bright yellow. So click on this letter A, text color, then come over here, click on this add a new color. So from here I can make this bright yellow. Then I can come over to this Bible verse, highlight it, Bible verse, also use that bright yellow. So now we have this. So what we can do again, we can make this gradient, take it so that the text is going to be much more visible. So now we have the demons fear this 10 powerful Bible verse. So this is our text. So if you want to add effect to it, there are some effects you can add here, but those effects are not necessary. So this is our text. It's much more visible for people to see. So what we can do from here, we can save this and then use this as our thumbnail. So to save this particular thing, just come over here, click on share, then from this place you click on download. Then from here, they are already selected. Now click on this download and your design is going to be downloaded. So after designing, you can see this is our thumbnail. So you can now use this thumbnail on your video.